Hey ladies and gentlemen of Shrimp Aquatic. Alright, so stage 2 is somewhat complete. I got 2 racks built. Each shelf can hold 3 of my 10 gallons. So of right here, this holds 12. I've got 2 new cycling over there. I've got 8 in total ready to go here that need to transfer over. And then I've got 4 more in the waiting right here. We're going to add another shelf or another uptake, get another shelf up. That'll hold 3 more on each of those. In the middle there, that metal rack that you keep seeing inside the shrimp room is going to go dead middle. I'm going to put the water holder. I'm going to put a water holder there, as well as maybe a secondary on top to feed the original. I got the air ran through the PVC coming over to my little T's. They are glued in place and locked in. Each T or each side of the T has a little 6 to 8 inch run of silicone line, and then a valve stop, or a ball valve basically, type item. You'll notice on top of each one of the valves, there's a zip tie. Now, I don't know about you, but turning these on and off with that little itty bitty screw that they put in here, royally painful. You add a zip tie to it, snip that, now all of a sudden you can turn these with no problem whatsoever, adjust your airflow, get it dialed in, you're good to go. What, 8 cents for a zip tie? Makes it so much easier. Hey guys, so as you can see, we're making a bit of progress. I'm going to flip the camera around really quick and see if I can give you a brief rundown of what's going on. Okay, as you can see, we're missing some tanks, not all of them. But we're coming over to here. We're starting to get the tanks kind of in place from where they were. In all, I know it doesn't seem like it's buying me much room, but imagine this: 1 more level, 3 more tanks. This one, 1 more level, 3 more tanks, so that buys me 9, 9, 18. This open gap here has been set to the exact width, close to, of that metal rack. So, I'm going to put that metal rack right in here. I'm going to be able to hold 1, if not 2, new water tanks. So use the trash can and either see if I can find another trash can like that. Give me 2 of them. That way I've got 50 something gallons worth of excess water. If I can, I'm going to figure out a way to just connect them, which is most likely going to be done with just a couple of bulkheads going from one to the other. Little PVC pipe, that way once one fills, the other one would start to fill. And then that is going to buy me roughly 40 inches from, well, 42 inches roughly from here to the end of that one is roughly 42 inches. So 2x4 here, 2x4 there. Now I'm taking racks out this way. With that, I want to figure out if I can find a couple of items that will make it much easier for myself with having these racks here to do maintenance here on just a metal rack. That's still a thought in process. So, but a little bit more of an update. I'll keep you included. Luckily, with where this opening is, it comes into play with where that is. So, if everything goes according to plan, I'm going to put a T here and shoot some air this way, some air that way. Same thing with this one. I'm going to put a T on, shoot air this way, shoot air that way, because it from here to here is 42 inches. Well, let's find out. Looky there, it actually bought me 44 and a half. So that means, yeah, that means what I'm doing might actually work and not have overlay. Hey, that is even better. Because what is one of the others? These are 1.5 inches, so 3 inches. This was what, 44? 44 and a half. I need 3 of that, so that's going to drag me down to 41 and a half. That works perfect for my envision item here. As you can see, the little shrimpies are doing pretty good. They're a little mad because I didn't give them any food for the last couple of days just because I was anticipating this move, so alright. Alright, y'all, we're getting closer. With the new light, or one of the new lights. So, partial destruction of the shrimp room. Hopefully I can figure out how to speed this up or I'm going to cut the holy crap out of it, but I'm okay with that. Shrimp room version 2.0 in full effect.
Too easily. I forgot. The other side was held in with one screw. Thank goodness I never put any weight on that shelf.
Well, I'm going to be hard at work at this, so hope everybody's having some good shrimping. I hope everybody's having a great day. I'm going to keep at it.